Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. Today, we are going to talk about what your Odoo Account Manager does and why they are a critical part of your success as a partner. We have been talking recently about the various benefits of being an Odoo partner. One of the major ways Odoo supports our partner network is by pairing you up with a dedicated account manager. For today's topic, we will take a closer look at why an account manager is your biggest ally in your success. Let's first understand what an account manager does, and then we can give some examples of how having a dedicated account manager is truly a recipe for success. Overall, the partner account manager serves as the key point of contact for Odoo partners, marshaling a vendor's sales and technical resources to help partners grow revenue and have a deeper understanding of Odoo's value proposition. Now that we know what an account manager actually does, let's look at 4 main examples of how they add tremendous value to your business. Number 1. An AM is not just a manager, but the partner's representative within Odoo. The account manager serves primarily as a liaison and advocate between Odoo and the partner. The AM becomes the advocate of the partner to help advance various aspects of the relationship: commercial, technical, support, documentation, and resources, as well as briefing any policy changes. Number 2, a dedicated AM vets Odoo-generated opportunities and leads and selects the right partner to ensure a win-win strategy. You and your AM will work hand in hand to better understand your sales strategy and your sales pipeline. This pipeline review is helpful in pinpointing any issues blocking the close of an opportunity, as well as better forecasting strategies. Number 3, your AM will carry out any administrative tasks within Odoo, such as send you license quotes and negotiate alongside with you to maximize revenue. This is truly a win-win strategy. They will also follow up and escalate tickets and help clarify any existing issues. This heavy lifting within Odoo truly strengthens the bond between you and your account manager. Number 4, your AM can also connect you with amazing resources internally that can help you coordinate content creation, event organization, and joint efforts towards creating multimedia content such as videos, interviews, and case studies. If the AM does his job correctly, he will look out for the partner's best interest as well as Odoo's in a balanced way. As you become a seasoned Odoo partner, your account manager will guide you through your various sales initiatives. Remember to invest in your future and invest in the success of your business. If you're interested in launching an exciting business opportunity, I encourage you to touch base with one of our passionate partnership managers to better understand how implementing Odoo is truly a recipe for success. Again, as always, thank you for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all.